So hey guys, welcome again, and this is the part which we need to take care of because there are so many exams coming and that are related to bank. And bank exams has a different section for computer, and that needs to be done precisely. Means because if you don't if you don't do it, the thing is that your main marks or the scoring marks you will get the scoring marks from computer only because it's just a, like it will either it will come or it will not come. So you can't solve it to get the answer. So just we need to remember it. We need to remember each and every stuff. And the worst and the best part of computer is that all now we all are using laptops, desktops, and everything. So we know what a particular thing is. Means suppose a compact disk is what, a hard disk is what is a magnetic disk, what is a screen, what is a monitor, printer, and all. But the related stuff like how much printer uses, how a desk inkjet printer is, how a laser printer is, and what is the purpose of computer, which is the central processing unit is what. This type of things we need to mug up or we need to learn properly. So this video will help you guide through the way. It's a set of courses, and I think every 2 day or 3 day in every 2 or 3 days I'll upload a video. And so in my MCQs, I will not give you the MCQs only. I will give you the related overview of the particular topic. So that will be important to you. So guys, this is the thing, and let's start. It will be both in Hindi or English. It's not like this typical Hindi English lecture or English video. It will be in both languages. So let's start. So we have a first question. UNIVAC is UNIVAC is a universal automatic. It's not atomic. It's automatic computer. There will be so many like you can simply derive it from here. Array is not array is not a computer. Means array is a different type. Like if you have this, you can code like this is an array. One, two, three, four. Set of numbers, set of alphabet, set of strings. This is an array. So it's not. This is not the correct answer. Unique, you can say it kind of it is resemble, but it's not a correct answer. Unvalued is not a term. Okay, so the correct term is this thing, universal automatic computer. Now this one we all know. I will start with the basic one, then I'll gradually increase the level. Okay, the basic operations performed by a computer are, so basically it performs all the operations given here, like arithmetic, logical, storage, and relative. So all are correct. And the two major types of computer chips are external memory chip. It's not a major. If required, you can use it. So the main types are primary and microprocessor chips. Then microprocessors as switching devices are for which generation computers? These are introduced in fourth generation. Okay. And so for third generation, for second generation, for first generation, you can simply gradually you can just go through it and learn it, or otherwise just bear it with this video itself because in the further videos I am definitely going to guarantee that there are many questions which will come like which was the first generation, which one was the second generation, what was 8085, what 8086, and all these things. So which of the now the next question is which one of the following is the first calculating devices? So the first calculating device was Abacus. Okay. Now EBCDIC stands for. So guys, the EBCDIC stands for E for extended, B for binary, C for coded, D for decimal, I for interchange, and C for code. So this is the right answer. The brain of any computer is just blindly put central processing unit, nothing more required. ALU is a different thing. It converts machine language to some other, like converts the logical language into computer part. And storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on all of the above, like how much disk pack is there, how much bits per inch is there, and text per inch of surface is there. It depends completely on all of the options. So now the two kinds of main memory are. Look, now just wait a bit and listen to these things. It's not about this question. It's about every particular question which you get about all of the above. Because in our coaching institute and everyone just tell like if there is an all of the above question is there and there is an option like this, just put it. The option is all of the above. And it's right around 70% of the time. But people tend to lose marks in this. Just skim through the main part and understand the question completely, like the two kinds of main memory. इस यहाँ पे ये नहीं पूछा है कि what are the main memories and all there. So the main memory is always ROM and RAM. They are not primary secondary. The main memory will always be ROM and RAM. Okay, दोस्तों. Now the first digital computer was invented by. It was not invented by this person nor by. It is not. It is not this thing. Not this thing. It is the first calculating part. Okay. So the thing is, the first digital computer was invented by Howard H. Aiken. So which of the following is an advantage of computers? These are all rubbish data. In this one, you can simply write store massive amount of data. And integrated circuits are related to which generation of computers? Look, as I said, we got third generation also. So the fourth was completed, the third was completed, and then later part of the videos you will get the first and second also. So just bear with this in video, and you will simply get all the things. CD-ROM is a which type of device? So always see compact disc. So it's an optical disc. It's not all of the three. A hybrid computer. Look, the word is here is hybrid. Don't go to the options. Just see the word hybrid. So it will be always resembles both a digital and analog computer. Okay. Now, which type of computers use the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? So that is the mainframe computers. They use the 8-bit code that is called as EBCDIC. Now the ALU of a computer responds to the commands coming from. So the answer to this question is control section. Okay, this is the control section is the answer. So now chief component of first generation computer was. So look, as I told you, we got our first generation, and that was vacuum tubes and valves. The third was integrated circuits, and we can simply presume that the third, what was the second generation. So we got our four generations covered in this video itself. We can go on to the later part to discuss more or to grab more knowledge of this generation computers. Then to produce high quality graphics, hard copy in color, you would want to use a plotter. Okay, not these things. High quality will always we will be using the plotter. Now, what are the stages in the compilation process? So let's. So the answer is okay. So without giving the answer, first go with feasibility study, system design and testing, implementation and documentation. Computer doesn't do documentation, so it will go give lexical analysis, then it will go up to syntax, then it will check the code, so it will generate the code. So this is the right answer. Which of the following ICs were used in third generation computers? Okay, so the ICs which were used in third generation computers were both A and B. They were no medium, they were only small and large scale. Cool. So now a storage area used to store data to compensate for the difference in speed at which the different units can handle data. That is buffer. It is always will be buffer. Buffer will be like it will be a जरूरत से ज़्यादा का जब कुछ हो जाता है तो वो बफर काम आता है. बफरिंग देखते हैं ना, बफरिंग जो होता है वो बफरिंग अलग है. Buffer is always extra data which is used for storing the data or something. In address bus and all in microprocessor बहुत पढ़ा होगा, लेकिन ये उतने हम लोग को जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. So सिर्फ buffer, memory is not the purpose. A computer is free from tiresome and boredom. We call it if it's free from everything, and if it's not tiresome, if it does this type of things and then those type of things, other things, सब कुछ करता है तो it's not accurate. Okay, it's not reliable. It's not that is known as versatility. Versatility. So now the main electronic component used in the first generation computer. So this was repeated. You can give the answer right now. And the dumb terminal has dumb means what? It's not deaf or something. No, dumb means the dumb terminal will have a keyboard and a screen. So basically, deaf means जो सुन नहीं सकता, dumb means जो बोल नहीं सकता मेरे ख्याल से. So it doesn't have an audio. You can simply say, right? It just have a keyboard and a screen. It's just a uh, satire. No need to go into deep in that. And so it's the dumb terminal will always has a keyboard and a screen. 1 millisecond is, it's not 1 second. If it's 1 second, then it's not 1 millisecond. तो आप बता सकते हैं कि ये थाउजेंट ऑफ अ सेकंड है. So this is the thing. And ये देखिए मैं सब बोल रहा था आपको printer. So the output quality of a printer is measured by, like here you can simply select dots per square inch, dots per inch, dots per unit time, and we can simply select हाँ okay all of the above हो सकता है आंसर. जब में dots तो है, सब में per unit है तो हो सकता है. But you can simply हम लोग आप यहाँ से सिंपल देख सकते हैं कि भाई देखो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर इंच भी दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे इंच भी दिया हुआ है, तो दोनों में से कोई एक ही होगा. तो द आंसर इज डॉट पर स्क्वायर इंच. Which of the following was a special purpose computer? The special purpose computer was ABC. Okay, ABC. Uh, it was developed by Atanasoff and Clifford Berry. एंड ये था पहला लीनियर कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. ओके, ये ऑटोमेटिक वाला था. इन एनैक ENIAC जो है ये ऑटोमेटिक वाला था. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट पर्पस कंप्यूटर विच वाज अ कंप्यूटर इन्वेंटेड बाय, देखिए, एटनोसॉफ एंड क्लिफोर्ड बैरी यू कैन से. So that was A, B, and C. This is that. Okay. And now, which of the following storage devices can store maximum amount of data? So that is always be a hard disk. Okay. No, actually, let me see. Yep, we were right. It's hard disk. And which computer was considered the first electronic computer until 1973 when code invalidated the pattern? So after ABC, एबीसी का जो वर्क था लीनियर कैलकुलेशन के लिए वो पहले रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं हुआ. फिर जब एनैक आया तो उसमें यूज हुआ था. तो एनैक वाज अ वन विच वाज, मैं एनैक बोल रहा हूँ बट बेसिकली इज ENIAC. सो इट वाज द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर. ओके. So a physical connection between the microprocessor memory and the other parts of the microcomputer is not known as path, is not known as route, it is known as address bus. High density double sided floppy disk could store 1.44 GB. भाई देखो फ्लॉपी डिस्क है, आज तक वो नहीं गया ठीक है जीबी पे. एंड 1.440 MB GB MB GB यहीं पे चल रहा था. तो आपको याद रखना है 4 तो 1.44 MB. ओके, जीबी फ्लॉपी डिस्क है, जीबी भूल जाओ. A high quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing, and drawing graphs. So this question is a task for you guys to obtain. छोड़ो यार, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं ही बोल देता हूँ. So this the answer for this is, देखिए, we have an answer by the previous question itself. Like a high quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing, and graphs. So printing is high quality is there, so it will be always a plotter. Which of the following is not an input devices? OCR, ऑप्टिकल स्कैनर, स्कैन है तो इनपुट होगा. वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन है, वॉइस करके रिकॉर्ड करेगा, इनपुट होगा. ऑप्टिकल OCR ये भी आपको पता है क्या होता है. और so COM, computer output to microfilm, so it's not input devices. And this is the question: the accuracy of a floating point number responsible representable in two 16-bit words of a computer is approximately, just आंख बोलो 16 है भाई 16 कर लो. बाय 8 होता है, बाय 9 होता है तो आप कर सकते हैं, it's 16 only. So in most of the IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory, expansion slots, and active components are mounted on a single board. What is the name of the board? Motherboard, daughter board, breadboard, fatherboard. Okay, I don't need to give you an answer for this. And आता है अब, magnetic disk are the most popular medium of direct access, sequential access. It's both. No, sorry, it's not both. Here is a statement. It's not access. It's none of the above because magnetic disk has nothing but they are the hard disks. It is a large source of storage devices. So it's not accessing and all. It is used for storing the data. Computers with 80286 microprocessor is 80 computers. Okay, you need to remember this. 80. You can do one thing, like you can simply because 8028 is a different form, 8086 is different, 8085 is different, so it's 80 computers. A technique used by code to convert an analog signal into a digital bit stream is known as pulse coded modulation. Okay, signal is there, so it will be a modulation. Without signal, there won't be a. So if there is signal, so conversion हो रहा है तो pulse coded होगा, एनालॉग मॉड्यूलेशन, डिजिटल मॉड्यूलेशन, ये सब होता है, ये सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने। तो जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा उनके लिए ये सिंपल है, जहाँ मॉड्यूलेशन जो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है वहाँ पे मॉड्यूलेशन दिया हुआ है, कोड मॉड्यूलेशन लिखा हुआ है, तो वो आंसर होगा आपका। अब रिगार्डिंग अ वीडियो, विच स्टेटमेंट इज मोर करेक्ट? सो वीडियो स्टैंड फॉर विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट, ये बेसिकली सीआरटी मॉनिटर ये सब रहता है। तो अगर डिस्प्ले यूनिट है तो क्या होगा, डिस्प्ले करने के लिए आउटपुट होना चाहिए ना, तो आउटपुट आ रहा है, इट इज एन आउटपुट डिवाइस। A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for input, storage, manipulation, and outputting of data, electronic data processing, doing quick mathematical calculation, performing repetitive tasks accurately. Is this one: input, storage, manipulation, and outputting of data. A vacuum tube was invented in 1910. So, guys, this is it, and thank you. Because it's not a over, because यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ first part है. We will continue with this, and if you want to see more MCQ questions of different subjects also, even you can see that. And I have one. I have made 2 3 videos of bank related stuffs, like how to remember the bank and slogan, banks and CEOs. And the most important part I have made is how to do your last minute preparation. Like the last week you have and you don't know how to do now. So I have made an excellent video in that, and it helped me. It helped my friends also. So it will help you guys also. There is a link in that. It will be shown here. So you can simply click on check on that, and it is very beneficial for you. And there are so and there are some books which I mentioned in my subscription, sorry, in my description box, and those books you need to see, like because I found it very interesting, guys. So it's better, or it will be good for you also. So you can see that books. If you like it, you can buy it. If you don't like it, just skim through the page. That's it. And if you want this PDF also, just comment below the box. I'll upload the PDF in my blog, and it's very simple step to download. Just you need to click on the button and it will get downloaded. No other charges. It is free of cost, nothing more, nothing less. So, and as I always say, it is best for working people. So you just put the earphones in your mouth and bang. Just remember these things you need to do. So that's it, guys, and best of luck for the exam, as I always say. Keep it up. Bye bye.